Today I'm taking a look at the Welding helmet cover. So we got instructions and we have got the cover. So to attach it, it looks like it's got kind of like almost like a door seal on it. So this is going to clamp around the helmet and you can slide that around the back. I think theoretically you might even be able to just grab the thing and pull it open and pop it on. It really depends on your helmet. You got some stitching here in the middle. It doesn't really look like it's actually stitched to anything. It's just more like a design element. This stitching on the top is attached, so that is going to attach this rubber seal to the rest of the material. And then toward the middle we got another piece of stitching, so this is going to attach the top to the bottom. It does say it is made out of flame retarding cotton, so we don't have to worry about this thing catching on fire, and the stitching is made out of Kevlar. So there's two big benefits to something like this. The first benefit, of course, you're not going to have sparks going down your back, so especially if you're like welding overhead, you don't have to worry about anything falling into your hair or down your collar and making you do a little dance. The second thing this is going to do is it's going to black out the rear of the helmet. That's really important if you're going to be welding facing downward. You got some really bright lights above you instead of getting those reflections bouncing off of the lens and back into your eyes. This is going to black out that whole area so you can actually see what you're welding on much easier. That is the main point for something like this for me and the entire reason that I wanted it. So it just kind of presses on there and we have got our hood. So it is definitely much darker inside this helmet. It is a lot easier to see out the lens right at the back. Yeah, that thing is awesome. If you're in a situation like I am where we got a lot of really bright overheads, this can really help to make it a lot easier to see the weld. So that is pretty cool.